don't wanna get high, I'm just trying to get by. I know it's hard to survive. I'm on food stamps, SSI, welfare, cause I know the devil don't care, but I'm blessed with God's essence. I know what's real from fake. I apologize for taking my mom for granted. I admitted it, I acted like a faggot. I don't want my family to close the door, and I can't take the pain no more. I'm stressing, smoking cig after cig, not caring about cancer. My mom told me that Christ was the answer, but my talent ain't being recognized. I cuss too much, but I don't give a I know proper English, so for this song, I'ma do it, but don't get it twisted. I'm still rugged, I'm not Will Smith. I cuss when I have to make a point. To relieve stress, I like to roll a joint of K4, of weed, indeed. I got soul, I thought I lost it, but God gave it back, not that he took it. It's a miracle to be breathing. Hey mom, let's go out this evening. I'm walking. Hey God, thanks for being. I'm walking.